Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. We're looking at Tradition of Excellence here, starting with the first note. This is part of our primer pages. This is page 4, which starts on the B flat. Page 5 starts on the F. Use that to determine which page would be best for you to start on. The pages interconnect on the number 3. Here we go. 1, 2, that's our tempo. Strive for a nice, steady, even sound. And let's move on to number 2. Number 2 is the note C, all the way out in 6th position, which is not all the way out, but by all the way out I mean a ways out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then there's 7, and 6 will be right here. Out. On to number 3 here now. Number 3 has B flats and C's, and you're switching back and forth. So this will be the first song where you have to move your slide while playing the song. Now moving on to number 3, we are looking at the D. D is in 4th position. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. And now we are moving on to Mr. Whole Note Takes a Walk, number 5. Makes use of all 3 pitches, and one note is played twice. That's the B flat at the beginning and end. We're still using the same speed, going nice and slow, so we can establish a steady sound on each pitch. 2, 3. And that takes us all the way through page 4. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.